Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto found himself raging on Facebook Live. He was discussing Pasig's supplemental social amelioration program. He had explained residents who were not given 8,000 pesos cash aid from DSWD will be receiving their own subsidy from the City Hall. Then, this happened. Sotto's fans found this endearing.
Malalagpasan daw po ulit yung mga hindi nga, kasama nga, gulo ka usap. Kasama ko lang lahat na kasama yun. Hindi naman mamuting buhok ko dito.
Having recovered from that moment, Sotto was able to reflect. It made him think of going back to teaching.
Sir, kasama po ba sa quiz yung diniscuss ngayon, sir?
Yan, so lahat kasama po.
Eh, yung chapter 12 po, kasama rin?
Kakasabi ko lang lahat nga kasama eh.
Lo, naitanong ko lang, sir, kasi po madami nito.
Gulo ka usap.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.